Hello, welcome, and welcome back to those of you who are coming back to this channel for another Haitian Creole lesson. Remember to comment and subscribe to this channel so you can keep learning Haitian Creole. Today we have a brand new lesson for you. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to talk about the days of the week. So let's go ahead. Days are juyo, juyo, juyo. Monday, lundi, lundi. Tuesday, mardi, mardi, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi, mercredi, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi, jeudi. Friday, vendredi, vendredi, vendredi. Saturday, samedi, samedi, samedi. Sunday, dimanche, dimanche, dimanche. This concludes today's lesson. Don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel so you can keep learning Haitian Creole.